Hey everyone. Did you know your gut might be the reason you're feeling anxious, tired, foggy, or even depressed? It's not just about digestion. Your gut and your brain are deeply connected through something called the gut-brain axis. In this video, we're breaking down 5 powerful ways your gut affects your brain, and I'll show you exactly what to do to fix it using simple science-backed strategies. Let's start with your mood. Believe it or not, about 90% of your serotonin, your brain's feel-good chemical, is made in your gut. That's right, not your brain, your gut. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, your body produces less serotonin, which can lead to depression, mood swings, and low energy. So, what can you do? Start eating more probiotic foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, or sauerkraut. Cut back on sugar and processed junk. They feed the bad bacteria. And consider taking a probiotic supplement with strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Your gut health could be the missing piece in how you feel emotionally. Next up, anxiety. Your gut talks to your brain through the vagus nerve, which is like a direct hotline between the two. If your gut is inflamed or out of balance, it constantly sends stress signals to your brain. That can cause your brain to go into fight or flight mode, making you feel anxious or jittery for no clear reason. Here's how to calm that stress response. Practice deep breathing or try cold face splashes. Both stimulate the vagus nerve. Eat more prebiotic-rich foods like garlic, onions, and bananas to feed the good bacteria. And if you struggle with chronic stress, adaptogens like ashwagandha might help. When you calm your gut, your brain can finally breathe. Ever feel like your brain is running on low battery? That's called brain fog, and yes, your gut could be to blame. When harmful gut bacteria grow too much, they release toxins called LPS, lipopolysaccharides. These toxins trigger inflammation in the brain, slowing down your thinking, memory, and focus. It's like trying to think clearly while your brain is stuck in a cloud. Here's what helps. Eat more omega-3s from fatty fish like salmon or plant sources like flax seeds. Boost your fiber intake. Think lentils, broccoli, chia seeds, and drink plenty of water to flush out toxins naturally. Fixing your gut can literally clear your mind. Struggling with sleep? Your gut might be interfering with your melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep and stay asleep. Melatonin is made from serotonin, which, remember, is mostly made in your gut. If your gut health is poor, your melatonin levels may drop, leading to insomnia, light sleep, or waking up tired. Here's what to do. Get sunlight in the morning to reset your circadian rhythm. Eat foods rich in tryptophan, like turkey, oats, or eggs, and avoid eating heavy or spicy meals late at night. They mess with your gut and your sleep. When your gut is in sync, your body knows when it's time to rest. Lastly, let's talk about inflammation and depression. Chronic inflammation in the gut leads to the release of chemicals called cytokines. These can actually travel to your brain and trigger neuroinflammation, which is linked to depression, low motivation, and mental fatigue. Here's how to fight back. Switch to an anti-inflammatory diet. Eat more berries, leafy greens, turmeric, and wild fish. Avoid seed oils and processed snacks. They feed inflammation. Try adding bone broth, glutamine, or zinc to support your gut lining and reduce inflammation. Remember, a calm gut equals a calm, motivated mind. It's not just about digestion, this is whole body health, and your brain is paying attention. Drop a comment below. Which of these gut-brain tips are you going to try first? Or tell me what's been working for you.